Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Vizio Soundbar 5.1 small speakers not working in 2026. So in 5.1 setup, the rear speakers only play surround sound and not the constant sound. So sometimes they seem dead when they are actually working correctly. So in order to fix it, you need to start by testing the right content. Play a movie or a video that supports 5.1 surround sound. The regular stereo content won't use the rear speakers much, so this is the most misunderstood issue here. Now most of the Vizio systems connect rear speakers through the sound subwoofer, so you need to make sure that both the speakers cables are firmly plugged in and not loose. A loose connection is equal to no sound. Now if the subwoofer isn't properly paired, the rear speakers won't work either. So you need to check if the subwoofer LED is solid. If not, you can also press the pair button to reconnect it. You can also use your remote in order to adjust the settings, like you can increase the surround or rear speaker level. Sometimes it is set too low by default and that's why you are not getting the sound. So if nothing is working for you, you can just simply perform a quick reset. In it, you just have to unplug everything and wait for about 2 to 3 minutes and then reconnect it and powered on. So this also refresh the pairing and internal settings. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.